Okay, check out little Camaro SZ trying to go. No, he ain't trying to go. Alright, watch it. See what you trying to do there, Camaro. See what you trying to do there, Camaro. I don't want no smoke. I ain't gonna play with it. I see another victim, y'all. Hold on. I see another victim. I see another victim. Let me go get him. Let me go get him. Oh, light. Oh, for the man with that 5-0 right here. See that 5-0? Finna go get him. Get out the way, 5-0. Oh man, traffic making us stop. Boy, we was on the straightaway. Jeremiah, I would've got you, boy. That my boy Jeremiah in the 5-0, man. Alright, man, what's going on YouTube, man? Back at it again with another video, man. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Push that notification bell so you'll get a notification every time I post some new content, man. Alright, man, as y'all can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing some 0 to 60 timers today, man. Now, the last video I made, it wasn't really a 0 to 60 video. I did like 1 or 2 just to see what it was about. But, you know what I'm saying, it had rained that day and the day before, and the roads was wet, man, down. So, you know what I'm saying, the tires was, I couldn't hook like I wanted to, man. So, it wasn't the best video to give y'all the, you know what I'm saying, the best timers, man. But we're gonna try it again today, man. The sun out, birds chirping, dogs barking, lady across the street. Y'all know the song. Anyway, but yeah, man, we're gonna do some 0 to 60 timers, man. I'm on my way to Mexico right now, so we can test those out, man. Alright. So yeah, man, so I'm gonna do a couple 0 to 60 pulls, man. I'm gonna do some in sport mode, not in sport mode, traction on, traction off. You know what I'm saying? Just play around with it a little bit and see what I can do. So let's get right into it. Short little drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first 0 to 60 pull, man. Let me go to my performance pages. Hold on, let me reset everything. Hold on, okay, but all right. So it's resetting now, man. All right, so this time on the first one, I'm gonna do it with sport mode off. So sport mode is gonna be off, and let's see. All right. All right, man. So the first timer was a 5.3. Alright, that ain't too bad, like I said in the last video. That's what I got on the first video, man. It ain't too bad, but you know, like I said, it ain't nothing to brag about either. So alright, let's see what the second one do. I'm gonna do it with sport mode on, so let me go ahead and turn sport mode on. Boom. See the little green flag at the top? Sport mode on. Alright, so man, that was terrible. Alright, I was doing a lot of spinning, man. Alright. Maybe I don't like sport mode. Try launch control, man. This time I'm gonna try launch and launch control at let me see. All right, there we go. All right, I'm gonna try doing it at 2,000 RPM, man. So let's see. All right. Okay, that's a little better. 5.2 with launch control, 2,000 RPM. We're gonna do it again, but we're gonna do 2,500 RPM using launch control. All right, so let's see. And sport mode still on. All right, 2,500 RPM. Terrible. All right, man. I guess the RPM was too hot for that one. All right, man. So, yeah. All right, man. I had to cut the video short. The spot I go to over here in Mexico, a couple cars started pulling up. Looked like they was about to start asking me some questions, man. And you know how Border Patrol be tripping and stuff. So, yeah, I just decided to go ahead and leave. But, you know what I'm saying, I got a few pulls in, man. I did some in sport mode, some not in sport mode. I staged myself. I did a few with the launch control on, 2,000 RPM, 2,500 RPM. For some reason, man, in sport mode, you know, I guess you can say it unlocks the car's full capability. So it gives it a little bit more power, man. So I tend to spin a little bit more, man, in sport mode. But the best run I had was the very first one, actually. Is when I didn't use launch control. Hey, let me let these windows up, man. All right, the best one I had was the first one. When I didn't use launch control, I staged myself, and the sport mode was off. All right, that was the best one I had, man. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna take that one for what it was. But like I said, I'm still on stock tires, 245s, and I know that has a major part to do with my reaction time, man. But just wanted to give y'all a quick little video, man, of, you know what I'm saying, a couple 0 to 60 timers, man. Tires are coming next. So like I said, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what side tires y'all think I should go with. And yeah, man, appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned. Are you gonna turn, Carl? Are you gonna, Jesus. That car gonna turn to the mark. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, y'all comment below, man, what side tires y'all think I should get, man. You know what I'm saying? I've been looking at, I've been seeing these tires, man, Arturo AZ 850s. I've been seeing a lot of hype about them, man, and they very low price too, compared to the Nittos and the Mickey Thompsons and the, you know what I'm saying? So I've been doing, like I said, I've been doing my research, man, looking at some reviews of them. Hey, so far, man, they seem like they pretty legit. So I don't know, man, but y'all tell me what y'all think, man. You know what I'm saying? I like to hear, you know, other people's opinions, man, especially those who, you know what I'm saying, more seasoned than I am. You know what I'm saying, who been in the street racing game. First of all, I ain't gonna say street racing because I don't condone street racing. But yeah, man, those who've been had street rods, I'm gonna say that, and you know, had their share of tires, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, man. But like I said, man, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, man. Like the video, drop them comments, man.